Good morning, candidates. Good morning. Uh, See, many candidates are writing to me, raising doubts regarding this SBI CBO. In fact, we get different types of queries. For example, there is a, if I see the name of the person, I'll be able to tell you. Yeah, there is a person who says, I am working in RRB for the last 5 years. Is it worth shifting for me to SBI CBO? And the answer has to be given is that yes, it is really good because SBI is the largest public sector bank. Not only that, say you will be your increments will be protected once you rejoin here. So that is the advantage. So it is good to switch over to SBI. Yeah, and likewise, many people have been asking for so many doubts, like say, should I change or not? Likewise, and I have been replying to each and every candidate separately. I've been replying to the candidates separately that this is what it is. This is one person says, sir, my local language is Marathi. So can I give interview in Marathi? Obviously, yes. You are applying for circle-based officers interview, and absolutely there is nothing wrong in your giving interview in local language, Marathi or Hindi, as the case may be. Another person says, I am working in RRB with 7 years of experience. I have completed CAAB. If I get the offer, what will be my starting basic? See, we cannot tell you what will be the basic, but they will protect your number of years of service. For each year of service, you will be given one increment. That is what they have given in the advertisement. Whether they will give two more increments towards CIAB is not known. Even otherwise, it is worth going over to um, say SBI as CBO. This is the point I would like, and the career growth will be good. And Mr. Pavan Kumar has stated that he wants to attend the interview. Those of you who wants to attend the interview, please feel free to write to samba.s7, that the email you are seeing, samba.s7 at gmail.com, and give your phone number also so that I can get in touch with you and arrange for a convenient time. Yeah, some people have experience in, say, two different organizations. They have experience in two different organizations, and they are asking, sir, what type of question they can ask me? What type of question they can ask me? That will be known only when you come and take a mock interview. Write an email to this samba.s7 at gmail.com, then you give your phone number, then when we talk I can tell you. Now apart from that, generally what are the types of questions that will be asked, I will tell you now. I have already sent all the people, say, materials link. If some of you have not received the materials link, you please go through this link and take this link. This can be had from this video, recruitment of circle based officers SBI through interview. You can download the material and read. The material is nothing very big. You all know about it. Say it is nothing but banking awareness. You must go through that, and also some bank interview material prepared by Bankers Adda and other companies. What is the chance of shortlisting for someone who is CIB passed? Very good. If a person has passed CIB, the chances of his being shortlisted are bright. So there will not be, but of course we cannot, they have not listed out what are the criteria on which they will be shortlisting. Mostly CIB people will be shortlisted. Mostly people who have worked as manager will be shortlisted. Mostly people who have worked in credit management will be shortlisted. Mostly people who have worked in deposit mobilization and other aspects, they will be shortlisted. This is my guessing. Will you kindly guide about how to prepare for the interview? I have already sent a reply to this gentleman to send an email. He has not replied yet. And I have given the link already. Make use of the link, prepare. Then once you are prepared for the interview, please send an email to samba.s7@gmail.com. Then, sir, I worked in Axis Bank off role as sales officer. Am I eligible? The answer is no. Unless you have worked in the main roles of the scheduled commercial bank, you will not be eligible. What is the role about? Could you please clarify? Good question. The role is like this: CBO, circle based officers, will be serving within the same circle for 12 years or till the date of getting the scale 4. After that, only they will be transferred to another circle. This is one advantage. And what is expected of them is normal service expected from any other officer. What are the responsibilities of a normal officer? Like receiving customers at a counter, talking to them, entertaining them, giving them the opening form, getting the form signed by them, verifying with the Aadhaar card and other documents about genuineness of the party, then authorizing opening of the account, then ask the clerk to receive the cash, and after the cash is received, the account is opened, and after the account is opened, the passbook is given, checkbook is given, ATM card is given. All these things are being done under the supervision of this officers. Same job you will be doing. You will also be responsible for receiving of letters received through courier or registered post. Supposing you are in that seat, if there are more number of officers in a bank branch, not everybody need to receive, only one person will receive. So you take care of that. And also you may be helping the branch manager in the matter of, say, safe deposit locker, jewel loans, and also in case you are in the loan proposals loan section, you will be asked to process the loan proposals, take documents, disburse, follow up of advances, help the branch management in deposit mobilization. Likewise, almost in all aspects of the bank's carry life, you will be playing an important role. And that what how you understand that and how you take it wholeheartedly, that is what is more important. So I have explained about the role. What are the major factors they consider for shortlisting the people? Absolutely nobody has told us, but normally banks want people who have exposure into branch banking. That doesn't mean people who do not have branch banking will not get. People who have more exposure to branch banking as a manager, as a second line man, in deposits, in advances, in mobilization of deposits, in marketing, whatever it is, you will be given preference. People with JA, IIB, CIIB may be given preference. But in the recent selection by Bank of Maharashtra, many people have been recruited, though they are in scale 213, though they have not qualified under CIIB, JAB. So don't feel bad about that. And above all, people who have good exposure to credit management, they may stand a chance. Yeah. Next point, sir, I have 23 months, 23 days experience, 7 days or less as on said date. Am I eligible? The answer is no. Is SBI CBO an alternative to SBI PO? No, this is not so. This is separate, that is separate. And at the same time, duties are same. I have 1.9 years experience in HDFC Bank. Currently working in Bank of New. Yeah, the only thing is as long as the New York Mellon is a scheduled commercial bank, then he will be eligible. If that is not a scheduled commercial bank, then he may not be um, eligible for that. I'm not sure whether this will fulfill definition of a scheduled commercial bank. How to differentiate from local language and official language of the state. Local language, you know, what are the languages they are asking you? Mostly Hindi chalega, and but Hindi in Tamil Nadu will not go. So there is a case of a boy who has been working in Kotak Mahindra Bank, and he doesn't know Tamil. So he cannot apply in Tamil Nadu zone. He has to apply in a zone where Hindi is the language that he knows is being spoken and is being talked about. So that is a point. Then I have 1 year experience in private bank, 1 year experience in capital stock industry in forex spot. Am I eligible? The answer is no. Hello, sir. I am working in a financial industry. I am eligible. You have not posted the message fully. This boy has not posted the message fully. Probably he has written subsequently. Sir, what can be the syllabus for the post? See, in this, they have told they may conduct test if necessary, or if it is not necessary, they will go only for the interview. In the interview, what are the factors to be given? Take a looked into. I will tell you in detail. I have already told. I have 3 years experience cooperative bank. Am I eligible? The answer is yes because it is a scheduled commercial bank. Yeah. Then this next one. I have 4.8 years experience. If it is scheduled commercial bank, you are eligible. Yeah. Then I am a Hindi speaking person. Can I apply for Ahmedabad, Hyderabad? Um, no, you should apply in an area which is suitable for him. And gu- for Gujarat, probably they encourage Gujarati, and I think they do recognize Hindi. Should not be a problem. Yeah. My brother works as specialist officer public sector bank. Recently promoted to scale 2 specialist field. Whether is uh, yeah, he is in scale 2. Why should he come for scale 1? That's one point. There is no need. What is the role and responsibilities of SBI CBO? I have already explained about 5 minutes earlier. What will be the policy for promotion of CBO? I have 2 years, 11 months experience in Canara Bank. Will my current organization experience be considered for promotion? That again, SBI has to formulate that you will be given 2 increments for your completed years of service. I have 8 years experience, 3 years in scale 1, 5 years in scale 2 in RRB, currently posted in regional office. I have recommended this man to continue in RRB. I have a doubt. I have around 22 months experience, and yeah, I think this point I have already replied. You are not eligible. What is the reason behind local language? By ये तो सर्कल बेस्ड ऑफिसर रिक्रूटमेंट है. Here you need people who know the local language, इसीलिए तो local language को जरूरी है. नहीं होने से सब जगह में आप लोग अप्लाई करेंगे, फिर भी आप एक ही जोन में अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. इसलिए लोकल लैंग्वेज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. And one man has said, I have 3 years experience in phone banking. I suggested him to apply. If they shortlist in the interview, he should try to highlight on his other areas of success and also success in our phone banking so that he can get a easy success. Is there any chance of SBI PO? Possibly no. 2020 is coming to an end. Um, yeah, if you have worked in scheduled commercial bank, you are eligible. But I do not have any certificate about my experience as this was my first job. So people who are working in the first job, those who are not having service, I think you would have posted the appointment order and also some details. that this point is already solved because last date is over. Here he says access secured everything I got under letterhead. It should be in the name of the public scheduled commercial bank. SBI CBO qualification only graduation. BA pass can fill. So these are the points, doubts raised by the candidates I wanted to tell. Now let me analyze from which angle the questions may be asked in the um, say interview. One is introduction about yourself. Number two, about the academics. Then places of work, wherever you have worked and are working. About position of work, जहां आप काम करते हैं. Then about State Bank of India, they will ask you about SBI CBO. Yeah. Then about banking awareness, government schemes, current affairs, situation based questions also can be raised to you. Managerial questions can be asked like what are the qualities in you that you think are suitable for SBI CBO? Are you a qualified person like that? Then your vision. These are the types of questions they can ask you, and I'm sure all of you must be able to do it well. I wish you best of luck. To some extent, I relied on our Learning Bits blog for this purpose. I thank him for this. Best wishes.